The vacuum cleaner will be securely packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Use tools to open the packaging, revealing the machine preserved intact inside the box. The machine and all included accessories are as shown in the video. Equipped with tangle-free silent wheels at the base, which will not get tangled with hair, ensuring smoother and quieter movement. This is the accessory storage slot for placing curved pipes, nozzles, and other tools. The dust bucket is made of stainless steel for durability, featuring seamless welding technology at the base for superior sealing. The vacuum cleaner uses a 3-pole premium copper core motor with excellent conductivity for stronger power output. Open the buckles on both sides of the lid to access the vacuum cleaner, as shown in the video. A filter is integrated below the motor to effectively protect it when handling wet waste. For dry waste collection, install the dust bag to protect the motor and maintain stable suction. Then reassemble the vacuum cleaner and fasten the buckles to secure it. Connect the suction pipe to the machine, as demonstrated in the video. Connect to power, using different adapters as required. Before starting, secure the buckles on both sides and the rear of the barrel to prevent tipping during movement. This unit features 3 independent motor switches, each controlling a dedicated motor, allowing selective activation based on operational demands. With powerful suction, the machine can firmly lift half a brick using just one setting. It can instantly collapse a water cooler bottle. When using the original brush or long flat nozzle, connect the nozzle directly to the suction pipe. The curved pipe consists of part A and part B as shown in the video. The smaller diameter end connects to scrapers, while the larger end connects to the suction pipe. Then align the 2 protrusions and connect both curved pipe sections as demonstrated. Use the dust removal scraper or original brush for cleaning dry waste on floors. Opt for the long flat nozzle when cleaning furniture gaps, baseboards, etc. Remove the dust bag before handling wet waste to prevent airflow blockage and bag damage. To dispose of waste, first remove the machine head and dust screen sequentially. Then press the release button to detach the suction pipe. Release the buckles on both sides of the dust bucket. Finally, hold the handle and slowly tilt backward to tip out the garbage. For wet waste, drain most liquid through the drainage pipe first. Then slowly pour out the remaining residue.